This kid is telling me don't buy me more shoes.
I'm telling you,
what's wrong with this picture?
Shoes, but you go in. It's like I get new shoes every week, and I'm not complaining.
What's up, Seed Squad?
It's Nigel Seed
and Daddy Seed
of Daddy and Son
Kicks and Cooking.
And today we are
talking about what's popping.
Yeah,
it's a special episode. We're talking on everything from Jordan releases to Space Jam, and today was another Jordan release.
Yep.
Another sneakers L, right? Today was the release of the Air Jordan 1 Electric Orange. I don't know if you guys were going for that. If if you like that model, that colorway, it's kind of like the stepbrother of the shattered backboard, the orange and white and black colorway. But what I've seen online, a lot of people were kind of panning it because the renderings of what the shoe was supposed to look like initially looked really hot. Like the back, the heel was black, but then the actual version didn't have a black heel. What? So people were like, it's kind of like.
What happened with the renderings then?
The renderings were like from some other people, like not Nike. Initially, it's a guy Z Sneakerhead that does most of the proposed, shoes that are coming out and that kind of thing.
Right.
Like he's usually 100%. Him and that other guy, Pirates. Remember?
Yeah, I know.
When we were looking at the Travis Scott ones. These guys do renderings, and they're usually like spot on with what actually gets released.
Right.
But anyway, another sneakers day, another L sneakers, and actually a couple other places. I was 50-50 on the shoe. Still tried to get it.
Yeah.
Then couldn't. Sold out everywhere in like seconds because the Jordan 1.
Yeah.
And I don't know. Are you guys tired of this whole? I feel like Jordan is just force feeding us a billion different colorways. Literally.
They're going for quantity more than quality right now.
Yeah. They're like, we'll put a little orange here, a little black there. Here you go, guys. Go eat it. You know what I'm saying?
I know.
And it's like every time, $170, $170, $170. And it's just they sell out, and 2 seconds later it's on StockX for $250.
Yeah.
So anyway, that was that part of the day. There's been a lot of things going on. It's a fairly quiet week, but also we had the Space Jam release this week.
Yeah.
The LeBron
Fortnite guy.
Yeah, that's right. LeBron did do Fortnite with Space Jam. They did a Converse Space Jam, Air Force One Space Jam, LeBron 19 Space Jam.
Those were nice. I love those.
It's like going on all over the place, right? So, and we got to watch the movie, right?
Space Jam. Yeah, we got to see it.
I mean, it's out. Space Jam 2, I think it's called A New Legacy.
Yeah.
Of course, it's part 2 to the Michael Jordan original from 1996.
And honestly, I don't think it's going to match up to the original one.
I mean,
it looks cool. It looks quality. But I don't think it's going to I just don't think it's going to be as good as the first Space Jam.
But it's not like they won any Oscars. It's going to be what it is, right? Entertaining for kids.
It's going to be cool, though.
But, I think some people are like, oh, this is crazy. Why are they doing that? I'm like, look, man, let the kids have fun.
Right.
Somebody like your age doesn't relate to growing up with Michael Jordan.
Right.
So you see LeBron in something that makes more sense, right? Because he's been playing your whole entire life.
Exactly.
Michael Jordan was, back in the front office managing and doing his thing in retirement. But this was a surprise episode because I wanted to talk about the shoes that released. So Nike did, and we'll put them up here on the screen. Nike did the one that I really, really, really liked out of the LeBron release was the Wile E. Coyote versus Roadrunner, because it's 2 different shoes.
Oh, really? That's
one's
cool.
Brown, one's blue, and they were really slick. They were hard to get. They released like a set of that with the Xbox controller.
I remember I saw that, and the actual Xbox too.
Yeah, But I think that Xbox with the full system wasn't released to the mass audience. That was released like specialty media, like
but the controller was?
Yeah, the controller was a kit that they did. So I guess if you had an Xbox or have an Xbox, you could try to get that just to get that special Space Jam controller.
You don't got to worry about it anyways because it's PlayStation Gang 4L.
Hashtag PlayStation Gang over here. They also did a Sylvester and Tweety where it's like black and yellow. Obviously, Sylvester the Cat and Tweety Bird.
Yeah.
Then they did, what was the other one? A Marvin the Martian and Bugs Bunny. So you get like a gray and a black kind of mix-up, mash-up shoe. So, with that said, I'm going to get into the surprise piece. Nigel doesn't know what's happening right now, but I want you to check this out. So you can see what's happening here.
Let me open this with your pen. Here we go. I had no clue this, but I can predict what's going on here. Let's see.
It might not be what you think.
Oh, it's not?
Maybe not.
Might not be. Here we go. Hold on. How do I...
Here we go.
There we go. Hey.
Let me help you out. You take a long time.
Sorry. Oh, look at this. Hold on. We got the box. Nice box. It says Do It BBZ 330. LeBron James.
Whoa.
18. 18. X is 10.
Let's open the box.
18 Nike 2021. Just Do It BBZ. Let's open this up and see what we got inside
See
of
what's
here.
going on.
Hold on. Oh yeah. And there we go. Let me see this. Look at this. Look at this box. Watch out. I like these. I'm liking this. Look at that. Oh. That be up. Thanks, Daddy Seed. Look at this. Toon Squad. Alright, here. It's got like that's cool. It has like what's the characters this one is?
Bugs Bunny and Marvin the Martian.
Right, so it has the Bugs Bunny on this side with the gray, and then the Marvin the...
What's on the air bubble?
Marvin the Martian on this side. What's on the air bubble?
Yeah.
Look, it says, "This makes me very angry." What is that? What is that, like Marvin the Martian?
Marvin the Martian.
That's a saying? And then this one says, "What's up, Doc?" And that's the Bugs Bunny thing. These are nice though. I love these actually. These are really tough. Got some cool laces here with like different colors.
Yeah.
Very complex too. Like I like this design on here. This is like the LeBron lion pattern right here. I love these. Thank you, Daddy Seed.
You're welcome, man. You're welcome. Thanks to the good folks at Dick's Sporting Goods who I was able to get these through, and they shipped. And literally the next day that they were on the doorstep. So that was amazing.
Yeah.
The LeBron the logo, the crown on the back is like a cartoon effect.
Yeah.
Toon Squad on the tongue.
These are tough.
I thought these were tough, man. I wasn't sure. And again, the Wile E. Coyote Roadrunner is crazy because I was on Dick's Sporting Goods and ordered those, confirmed the order. They were in stock when I pressed checkout, checked out. Everything was good. Like a half hour later, I got a notice in my email, your order's been canceled. We're out of stock. And I'm like, wow, you gotta be kidding me.
Why didn't they say that while you were ordering?
They were there when it was like, when I ordered, it said there's 2 left, right? They try to tell you, like, 2 left, hurry up. So I hurry up, check out, boom, boom, boom. And then that happened. But luckily, I was able to go back in, and these were still available. Good. Along with the Tweety and Sylvester. But I think I like these more because I'm like, Bugs is the main character. That Looney Tunes gang, Bugs is like the flagship character, right?
Yeah. The face of the whole brand. Yeah.
But look at the back of the tongue. It's pretty slick. You got Marvin the Martian's eyes on there.
And then look, it's Bugs Bunny with his hand in the carrot. That's tough. These are really nice, Dad. Thank you. Oh, and on the inside, got Bugs Bunny on the inside. Mama's shook right now. Mommy see behind the camera. She's shook. She had no clue I was getting these.
I didn't know he got these for you, and I love them.
Right, me too.
Very
You got
nice.
Bugs, and you got Marvin the Martian on the other one.
Nice. Let me see that. Marvin. That's tough, man. Got a ball of these. Hey, winter basketball season's coming up, so I'm gonna have to lace up, you know what I mean?
I thought about that too, like a good pair of basketball shoes.
Right.
Because you're like, I need some shoes that I can like do stuff in.
That's what I'm saying.
Because you're getting like Jordan 1s and things, and those aren't practical for just everyday, you know, just running hard functionality. These are something you can, you know, bang up.
Exactly.
It's a nice, we talk
I
about
won't be banging it up, but yes, you can actually like.
I mean,
do
they're nylon. You don't have to worry about suede. You don't have to worry about them getting wet. Like these can get wet.
True.
You know what I mean?
That's tough. Yeah.
They got the nice bubble, the air bubble though, like the full.
With this thing on here, I don't know what this is. Like something that's coming out here.
What's that?
It's like this little gray piece right here coming out.
Oh yeah, like kind of like a heel.
Right. Listen, Dad, I'm very thankful for these. I love them. Thank you. I'm going to keep them. But after this, you don't gotta buy me any more shoes for a good minute, okay?
This kid is telling me don't buy me more shoes.
I'm telling you,
what's wrong with this picture?
Shoes, but you go in. It's like I get new shoes every week, and I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining. I'm just telling you, save your money.
Not every week. Not every week.
True.
Luckily, thankfully, you know, I can afford to buy the shoes that I'm buying you.
True that.
You know, if I wasn't able to, I wouldn't be doing it. Trust me.
Yeah, I feel you.
Good job. That's a good son. Thinking about the family.
Yes. But if you do feel like buying me more shoes, I'm not gonna complain.
You sure?
Yes.
All right. So what do you guys think about the Toon Squad LeBron release? Did you guys get your hands on a pair? I know they were, you know, wide release, all these different models and colorways. Yeah. Do you like the Bugs and Marvin the Martian? How those, you know, what's your thoughts on those?
How do you compare it to the other shoes too, the other colorways that the shoe comes in?
That's a good question.
And can I rate them?
Yeah.
So let me see. I'm going to examine them very closely here. Give them a rating out of 10. I'm going to give these. I'm going to separate the ratings from each shoe, okay? So the Bugs Bunny,
Oh,
is
okay.
I'm gonna do it with like the halves. So the Bugs Bunny half, I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. I love the Bugs Bunny half, definitely. Bugs Bunny half gets a 9 out of 10. Marvin the Martian half gets I'm gonna give it like an 8.2 out of 10. Because I like the Marvin the Martian half, but definitely not as much as this. I love this gray, but this black here, I do like the black, but I don't know. It's just like, I don't know. Black isn't really my favorite color to wear for shoes. Clothes, definitely, but not shoes. So 9, 8.2.
I'm the opposite, so I'm I'm a bigger fan of black shoes.
I know
but
that.
I like the gray. I like them together though.
The shoe combined together, I'm going to give
Overall,
I'm gonna just do the average. So I'm gonna say 8.6.
8.6.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. My rating on the shoe, I like it. It looks really comfortable. A lot of cushion inside. It's built for LeBron, so his shoes are always. I feel like his shoes are almost like boots because he's a big player, strong, athletic guy.
Yeah.
They're usually like just heavy, but these are nice and light. And then they're also like a mid, not a high top.
Right. That I like.
I give these probably like a 8.5.
Yeah. So 8.5, 8.6. About the same. Yeah.
I like to have something good on the channel to talk about. It's not a Jordan 1. It's not a dunk. You know what I mean? A LeBron. I've got some LeBron 11s. I don't have a lot of LeBrons in my collection.
And this is what, the 18?
Yeah. But I like these. I mean, these are fresh.
Yeah.
It gives a nice new take to the LeBron. So, with that, man, what's the last piece you need to do with this whole thing?
I gotta try it on.
There you go.
Exactly.
But before we do that, do us a quick favor. If you haven't already, make sure you go down and like and hit that notification bell down below. That way you guys will be on top of all the new heat we keep dropping.
I'm gonna go try these on.
All right, let's do it.